Today we are at the York Classic Car Show at the Knavesmire of the racecourse, and yeah, it's a good turnout today. Luckily the weather has held off. It was meant to absolutely throw it down today, but thankfully this morning it's going to be alright. So yeah, I didn't come in my car as last minute it decided to throw a hissy fit and the distributor's gone on it, so that's fun. A bit annoyed about that, but things happen. Anyway, let's get on with it. So I've got some lovely little camper vans here. Got a Beetle. Lovely TR6 next to a Jaguar with a very cool plate. Lovely little Mini. Next to a Morris Minor. Not sure what this is. It's a Ford of some sort, but not sure what it is, but it's very different. You don't really see any of that. It's a Bristol. Oh, hey up. I didn't see you there. It's Captain Mustard.
Yes.
Oh dear. And we've got a Ford Escort there. Very nice. I'm not sure what that is. It's something different. Another Ford. It's a Mercedes. Another Ford. Quite a few Fords. And then we've got a few different cars here. I think they're doing some sort of charity work, so yeah, there's some nice liveries on these vehicles. Very cool, bit of Castrol, yeah, best oil.
There you go.
We've got a Honda Classic Porsche here as well, which looks like it's got some German plates on as well, or German style, should I say. Got another Beetle next to a lovely Mercedes. On to the next row. It's just a few modern Jaguars over there. And I don't know what Qashqai is doing here, but there you are. It's another lovely Mercedes. To a Citroen. This is interesting, actually. Some other cool cars here. Honestly, I'm not sure what they are. I really don't know what these are. There's a lot of... Well, that's nice, I suppose. So I'm not really into more of the sports cars. More into stuff like this, you know, look at this. I mean, obviously that's been modified, but yeah, I prefer this type of stuff. Lovely little Lotus there. Mazda. An old Fiat 500. Very nice. Another Morris Minor. Here we go, there's a Rover 100 P4 next to an MGB GT. Cortina GT6 MG Midget next to an MGF. It's quite a late one. BMW 320, very nice. Another Jaguar. An MG X-Power ZR. Austin and Triumph. Another Ford, Cabriolet, very nice. On to the next row. The Mercedes. It is a Rover. It's a Cyclops as well. It's a P4, so it's a very early one. And you've got Paul Project Nigel's 25 in all of its coloured panels. Never fails to amuse me, does this car? It's brilliant. It's very different, that's what I like. Even has the trophy yellow fog light surround next to a Mercedes. Some rusting. Aston Martin, very nice. Mercedes, yeah, not Mercedes, BMW. 635 CSI. Next to an SLK. It's a Frog Eye Sprite. It looks like it. It is. Very nice. Midget. A few midgets here actually. It looks like there's one with a K series in. K series powered next to an MG Montego. Now this is what I like. Stuff like this. Look at that. Lovely colour. Really does match the trim as well. The blue would contrasting with the red striping. It's very nice. I'd love something like that. But I've got enough cars as it is. Next to the Triumph. Saab 900. It's for sale as well. It's very cool. I always like the old Saabs. It's very cool indeed. Triumph Stag. Vauxhall. Another Ford. Don't know if it's a real Mexico, it might be a replica. Peugeot 205. Ford Escort van. Bedford. Lovely Rover 2000. Oh, it's a 2200, should I say. Single carb. Rover P6. Vauxhall Chevette. Got no clue what that is. It's very cool though. Yeah. It's a Triumph Acclaim. Let's have a look under the hood, under the bonnet. There we go. I don't know why I said hood, I'm not American. Austin Healey.
You put the brakes on and you don't drive.
This is very interesting.
Hello. Look at this one, Finlay. It's got guns, isn't it?
Something different. MGB.
Yeah.
Looks like something off Heartbeat. Hillman Imp. Police car. Very cool. God knows what this is. Something American. It's a Ford. I know that. Austin Mini Moog. It's very cool. Don't really see many of them. Jensen Interceptor. Another Ford. Rover SD1. Ah, here we go. Look at that. It's got its bonnet up. It's very cool. V8. Volkswagen. A few Ford Escorts. Volvo. Look at that old thing. It's very cool. BMW for sale. There's quite a few cars for sale actually. Quite surprised by that. Very interesting. I mean, I suppose winter's on its way, so people might be selling up. MG BV8 there. It's very cool. Next to a midget. Another Morris. A Morgan. Citroen. Sure, this is a Diane, isn't it? Citroen Diane. Yeah, it's Diane 6. Yeah. Next to a Rover 75 estate. Very nice. And we've got a Golf. We've got a Singer. MG RV8. Another Ford. A Riley. It's another Vauxhall, Volkswagen, sorry. Volkswagen Golf. I've actually seen that one being driven around quite a lot. Yeah. It's a daily driver, I believe, that one. Ford Zodiac. Scimitar. Triumph S Mark II. Still yet to get our Triumph on the road actually. It will be coming hopefully very soon. Little Fiat 126. Another Volkswagen. A few more American things. Another Triumph Herald. Ford. Little Triumph with an umbrella so it doesn't rain on the interior.
I'm lucky 15 quid.
Another BMW convertible.
It's a bed.
Jaguar. It's an Austin. Another Ford. A Jaguar. Or is it Daimler? It's a Daimler. Let's have a look over here because there's a few cars that we missed because we didn't really go over this bit. But have a look over here as well. A few Jaguars there. Triumph Stag Owners Club, so there'll be a lot of stags. So usually there's quite a lot of stags at car shows, but we always like to go have a look at them as well. Lots of stags. There's even more over there. There's quite a few actually. Whoa. There's more over there. Very cool stuff. Little MGZS over there, selling some stuff. Might come in useful for someone. The smell of food's making me hungry. Might grab me a burger, but I doubt it. A few Anglias. Very nice. Actually, this is the sparked my interest. It's a cabriolet. I'm just trying to think what the colour is. What is it? No, it's gone. The colour's gone. Yeah. Next to a lovely P6 V8. 2CV. Quite a late one as well on a G plate. The Volvo. Vauxhall. Fords. A Ford. Oh, I like this. This is one, I think, believe it won at the Ripon Car Show. Very cool. Let's have a look down here. Volvo. I like the Volvo, especially the 340. Especially the 340, it's very nice. Nice 800. It's an MGB. It's quite a lot of MGBs. And Morris's, Morris Minors. Quite a lot of Fords as well. Nice little Volkswagen camper van. MGTF. TR6. I believe I've been. It's a Fiat 500. The Citroen 2CV. An MG again. Another Jaguar E-Type. MG. More Jaguars. Something modern, yeah. Austin Healey 3000, another Mini, two Minis, another Austin Healey, another Hillman, Morgan, a Jowett, Lancia, some 205 that's been souped up next to a TVR. Look at this coming in, Volvo 480. Apologies on the camera work. I think what we'll do is we'll split this video up into two parts. We've got quite a lot to go around, so I don't want to leave the video on for too long. But I'll see you in the next part.